Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesters Cloud. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called Fback. So what is this Fback? Fback is a tool that helps you to create a target a specific word list using a JSON pattern. So we would like to discuss what is a Fback. Fback is a powerful command line tool designed for a security professionals and penetration testers. It generates a compressiveness of word list for fuzzy backup files. By analyzing a target URLs and applying a customizable patterns with dates and extensions and URL components. So, what are the main features we can get here? The main features we can get here, like a target for a specific generates a word list based on the actual URL components, date pattern. It supports like year, month, date, hour, time, seconds, everything. Customizable. Like you can generate a JSON format, otherwise a TXT format, whichever you like. Multiple sources. It supports a word list extensions and numbers, even with special characters, number ranges also. Like some people they can keep like date of birth, otherwise some other things, special characters, what they like or XYZ things. And it's fast optimized for a performance with a large data sets. Now, we would like to try to install the tool. Now, let's just open the terminal. Now, let's come back. So, this is a Fback. Let's just copy, come back here. You just type it as a git clone and paste this repository. I have cloned this one. You just type it as a Fback. Now just type plus minus F. Now you just type it as chmod plus x main.js. Now you just look the permissions. So if we have give the permissions. Now we would like to try to look here as a npm version. I already installed the npm. Now we would like to try here as a npm install -t. So you get this type of error. You need to give a root permissions for this. So let me just type here as clear. Now I just type here as npm install -t. Now we have installed here. Now let's just come back here. Now you just type here as fback, where you can look here. We have got here as a fback. Now we would like to try to get your targeted URL. We would like to come back here. We would like to try here as a test PHP web.com. So first we would like to test something. So I would like to try to test this one. Now let's come back here. You just type here as a echo. Then let's just test this. Now you just type here as fback. That's it. Now you can look here. It was generated a lot of word list. You want to save this word list either in your targeted, or you can look here, a lot of word list is available. You can test with this all a targeted word list, all these things. Even we would like to try to clear here. Now I would like to try to generate with a live now. I would like to put here as, we would like to go here as, now I would like to go for here as buckcrowd.com. Now we would like to look here, where you can look here a lot of word lists for a putzing. That will be, we have got a number of word list here. Maybe one thing, if you get entirely of those things either in zip format, either entirely the source things, you can launch the entirely of new company in the similar of a background. Now this is done. Now later we would like to look here nano with I would like to put here as a urls.txt. Now I would like to write a some a background.com. I would like to write a tryhackme.com, hackthebox.com, CTF dot org. That's it. You just type Control X. Now I have a list of URLs and I want to get here enter. Let me just type here as clear fback urls.txt. Now I would like to put here as a output as a backup wordlist .txt. Then you need to get a year of 2022, 2025 and minus f 1 to 12 any type of word list. So now okay, accepted is 0 here. Error, too many arguments accepted as 0. Why? Now let's we would like to here. So everything in this only. So it's not going to be working out. So like we would like to look here. I would like to put here as fback minus L for a URLs. So now we are going to get all the results here in the backup wordlist.txt. So we need to cross check everything clearly. First of all, let's come back here. Fback minus help. Let's URL files. So this you have restricted. You have got it here. Now let's we just look here as list minus f. Let me just type here as clear. But it's take a lot of lengthy time process to get all the results. Get with the backup folders. No such file or directory. So here this may take a too long and lengthy time process. But now you are getting everything here. You can look here where you have got it here. You can look here a lot of things which is available there. But in this case, you don't need to mention as with the ctf.org of your domain. You just need to mention only your targeted URL. That's it. Otherwise, a admin.php. Otherwise, any other targeted with the extension with the .js, .php, anything what else you require, you just need to mention. Otherwise you get this type of error here. That's it. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Keep smiling.